everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to hide apps on iPhone and iPad. Can you hide apps on iPhone 16 and earlier models? Absolutely. You can use your iPhone's built-in features to hide any Apple or third-party app for free. Hidden apps on iPhone will not appear on your iPhone home screen, Spotlight search result, Siri suggestions, or even your Apple purchase history. So in this video I'll tell you how to hide apps on iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, I'm going to tell you hide apps from iPhone home screen pages but nowhere else. Sometimes you don't need to completely hide your app, you just don't want it staring at you from your home screen. You can always remove it from your home screen pages but keep it in your app library. For this, long press the app icon for the app you want to hide and then choose remove app. And then tap on remove from home screen. This removes the app icon from your home screen but keeps it safely stored in your app library so it is not deleted. Now to find your app, just keep swiping left until you access your app library and either scroll until you see the app icon or use the search feature and enter the app's name and you are done. Next, I'm gonna tell you hide an entire home screen pages of app icon. If you are looking a way to hide multiple apps, hiding an entire home screen page of apps is my favorite method. For this, you just need to press and hold anywhere on your home screen to enter edit mode. Next, tap on the home screen dots located above your dock. You will see your home screen pages. To hide a page from view, tap the check mark beneath the page to uncheck and remove it. And then press done at the top right corner of your screen. Only home screen pages with a check mark below them will appear. And the next step is hide apps on iPhone from Siri Smart Suggestions. Your iPhone search functions allows you to search for apps or content on your device from one unified location, while Smart Suggestions uses Siri intelligence to suggest apps based on your usage patterns. For this, open settings on your iPhone, scroll down and choose Siri. Scroll down and tap apps. Select the app you want to hide. To hide an app from Smart Suggestions, toggle off Show on Home Screen, also from Suggest app, and you are done. Next, I'm gonna tell you hide apps from App Store purchase history. If you have family sharing enabled, anyone in your family group can see the apps you have downloaded. If you want to keep some of your apps private, you can hide them from your App Store. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone and tap on your profile at the top right. Next, choose Apps. If you're using family sharing, tap My Apps. If not, then skip this. And then swipe left on an app and tap Hide. This removes your app from the list of purchased apps. And then tap Done at the top right to save your changes. And you are done. And the next step is use app folders to hide an app on your iPhone. If you are looking for a way to reduce clutter on your home screen, creating app folders is a great way to do this. However, if your purpose is to hide multiple apps, I recommend using the hide a page of apps method. But for this, navigate to home screen page with a folder that already exists on your iPhone, or create a new app folder and drag the app into the folder of your choice. Next, open the folder and drag the app to the right so you can place it on the next page of the folder. You can even skip a page and have an entire empty page between your visible apps and your hidden apps. Only the apps on the first page of the folder are visible on the home screen. While this method doesn't completely hide apps on your iPhone, it does make them hard to accidentally come across them. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to hide apps on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.